Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about exercise 6.2, question number 8 of class 9 mathematics, that is available on page number 122. We have already done till question number 7. So question number 8 is what rational expression should be subtracted from what should be subtracted from 2x square plus 2x minus 7 divided by x square plus x minus 6 to get x minus 1 over x minus 2. We need to just understand about what he is asking. He is asking that which fraction or which rational number should be subtracted from this fraction to get this answer. This is only just like the thing that which number should be subtracted from 10 that we can get answer 7. So 10, which number should be subtracted from this that we can get answer 7. We have the answer 7, we have a bigger number 10, then we must know that which number we should subtract it from. To find that number, we suppose that this number is a or x, whatever. We need to find the value of a, that which number is a that should be subtracted from 10, then we can get the answer 7. So to find the value of a, this sign is negative, that will be positive there and 7 will be negative there. So 10 minus 7 is equal to a. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Mean to say that number is 3. So same is the thing, that which number should be subtracted from this to get answer this. What is that number? We can say that suppose that number is a. So we need to find this value of a. This negative a will be positive here and this will be negative here. Mean to say a is equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 7 divided by x square plus x minus 6. This will be negative here, minus x minus 1 over x minus 2 in that. Now we need to find the value of a after solving this part. In order to find this value of a, we need to solve this, we need to factorize this fraction. This is 2x squared plus 2x minus 7. If its factorization is possible, then you can make its factorization. If not, then there is no problem. X squared plus x minus 6 and this is x minus 2. Their LCM will be some problem. So we need to make the LCM of this x squared plus x minus 6. First, we can say that this is 2x squared plus 2x minus 7. If its factorization is possible, then we need to make factorization. 2 multiplied by minus 7 means minus 14. So we need two numbers whose multiplication answer is minus 14 and whose operative answer is plus 2. So, frankly speaking, there are its factorization is not possible because we can't find the most relevant pair for this expression. So its factorization is not possible. Now talking about this x squared plus x minus 6. Its factorization is possible. X squared coefficient is 1 multiplied by minus 6, answer is minus 6. So we need a pair of numbers whose multiplication answer is minus 6 and whose operative answer is plus 1, that is 3 and minus 2. So x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X plus 3 after taking common minus 2, again x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3 makes This is x plus 3 and this is x minus 2, and that's it. So we can write it as 2x square plus 2x minus 7, and in denominator we have x plus 3, x minus 2, and minus x minus 1 over x minus 2. Now we can easily make the LCM of it. The LCM is A is equal to LCM is x plus 3 and x minus 2. X plus 3 is not repeated, so x plus 3 will appear once, and then x minus 2 is repeated item, so x minus 2 will be here. Now x plus 3 and x minus 2 both can cancel each other, and you are left with only 2x square plus 2x minus 7. You know that if this denominator and this LCM is same, then the numerator will be appear as it is. After that, this is minus sign, and this x minus 2 will cancel this x minus 2, and you are left with only x plus 3. X plus 3 will going to multiply to its numerator. So x plus 3 multiply the x minus 1. One thing you need to realize that this multiplication can be done after minus sign. So after minus sign, you need to do each and everything within brackets. So A is equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 7. After that minus sign, after minus sign, you can do the multiplication but within brackets. You can do it. So x multiplied by x means x square. X multiplied by minus 1 means minus x, then plus 3x, and then minus 3. And in denominator, that is as it is, x plus 3 into x minus 2. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 7. Now apply this minus sign inside within this bracket, minus x square plus x, then minus 3x, and then minus into minus plus 3. X plus 3 into x minus 2. Now for this 2x square and this minus x square. 2x square minus x square mean to say 1x square. This 2x plus x means 3x, and this is negative 3x. Mean to say all are cancelled. Again, I am telling you 2x plus x mean to say 3x. 3x and minus 8 both are cancelled. And after that, minus 7 and plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 means, this is minus 7 and this is plus 3. It means minus 4 divided by x plus 3 and x minus 2. Although this is answer, this is the value of a, but it can be factorizable because this is x square minus 4. This is square and 4 is also square. So between two squares, there must be a negative sign. So it is the formula that is A is equal to, you can say that x square minus 2 square. X square minus 2 square is just of the type of formula that is A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. You know that A square minus B square type formula is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So you need to write it as x plus 2 and x minus 2, and in denominator x plus 3 and x minus 2. So both can cancel each other. So the value of A, that is x plus 2 over x plus 3. Now this is the value, this was the actual fraction which should be subtracted from this to get we can answer x minus 1 over x minus 2. This was your question number 8. Now we are going to solve the next question. simplify question number 9, that is x square plus x minus 6 over x square minus x minus 6 multiply x square minus 4 divided by x square minus 9. Now you can see that between these two fractions there is a sign that is of multiplication. There is multiplicative signs between them. So, mean to say we can't do any LCM. We can't take any LCM to solve this because we can take LCM only if and only if between them there is some positive or negative sign. So, we can see that this, all the values can be factorized. X square plus x minus 6. We have already done its factorization in previous part, x square plus x minus 6. After its factorization, we have answer x plus 3 into x minus 2. And also x square minus x minus 6. In previous question, we have already done its factorization, that is x minus 3 and x plus 2. Now we can write this. You have the knowledge that how we can do its factorization. After that, multiply x square minus 4. You know that we have already done its factorization in previous question, x square minus 4. That is x square minus 2 square. That is a square minus b square form, which will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this is x square minus 9. It is just like this. You can write it as x square minus 9 into say 9 is also the square of 3. This is again a square plus minus b square times x plus 3 into x minus 3. I hope you can easily watch this. So instead of writing x square minus 9, we need to write x plus 3 into x minus 3. I hope you got this. So you can see that between this fraction and this fraction there is multiplication sign. So we can cancel any numerator factor with any denominator factor. So you can see that this x plus 3 can cancel this x plus 3, and this x plus 2 can cancel this x plus 2. Okay. Now furthermore, this x minus 2 will going to multiply to this x minus 2. Mean to say it is x minus 2 whole square. And this x minus 3 will going to multiply to this x minus 3. Because numerator can multiply to any numerator and denominator can multiply to any denominator. That is x minus 3 whole square. And that's it. This was only the question. Now for part 10, question number 10. X cube minus 8, question number 10. Denominator x square minus 4, multiply sign x square plus 6x plus 8, and denominator x square minus 2x plus 1. I'm again telling you that you need to be very careful about all these situations, and you must be familiar with all the formulas that are present on page number 292. You can see that this is x cube minus 8. Now we can understand the situation. This is some type of cubic formula because this x contains cube and 8 must also be some cube of any number. 8 is cube of 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. We can write it as x cube minus 2 cube because 2 cube is 8. This is not the meaning of 2 3s are 6. This means that 2 is multiplying 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now think about it, which type of formula it is. It is the type of formula of a cube minus b cube. Now, what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is, you know that we have done these exercise, these formula within exercise 4.2 and 4.4 also. A cube minus b cube, recall within your minds what is a cube minus b cube? Repeat it. That is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you have if you have already in your mind these formulas, then there must be no problem for you. You can write this formula. You can say beneath this cube this is a. So the value a is x. So beneath this cube this is b. The value b, that is 2. So according to this situation, you can open this formula. That is a minus b. So you need to write x minus 2. This is just like a minus b. After that, we need to apply a square. We need to say x square. After that, plus sign. After that, a is going to multiply with b. A is x and b is 2. And after that, plus sign and then b square. We need to say 2 square. Now, this is x square plus 2x plus 2 square, that is 4. And that's it. So instead of writing x cube minus 8, we need to apply this x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4. And in denominator, again, it's the same thing, x square minus 4. Recall it within your mind. What we need to write here? That is x square minus 4, that is x square minus 2 square, into say x plus 2 into x minus 2, that is x plus 2 and x minus 2. After that, multiplication side. Now, x square plus x plus x. Again, we need to do some factorization here. Factorize form, we need to write it here. X square constant, that is 1 multiplied by 8, that is 8. A pair of number we want whose multiplication answer is 8 and whose operative answer is 6. So I think your approach is right. That is 2 and 4. 2 multiplied by 4 answer is 8. 2 plus 4 answer is 6. So x square plus midterm breaking, that is 2x plus 4x. This is called midterm breaking. We have already done within chapter number 5. After that, plus 8. Now, what is common here? X is common, but x smallest power is actually power 1. Now, 1x is outside here and 1x will be here. 1x is outside and 2 will be here. What is common here? Only 4 is common. So, plus 4x plus 4, 2s are 8. You can see that both are same. If both factors are same, then you need to write it only once. X plus 2. And this without bracket term, you need to write it after this factor. So, its factorization is x plus 2 into x plus 2. Now, what is this? X square minus 2x plus 1. This is x square minus 2x plus 1. Now recall in your mind, I have already told you the situation that before factorization, you need to confirm about whether it is some type of formula or not. To judge that whether it is a formula or not, you need to find two positive squares if present in that factor. In that expression, you can see that this is also square and 1 is also square. Both positive squares are available. X square and plus 1 is square of 1. So we can conclude that is this some type of formula or not? So for that reason, you can see that this sign is positive, and this is also positive, and this is negative. So a square plus b square minus 2ab type formula, because it contains this expression with negative sign. So to confirm it, we need to find the positive squares. That is, first is x square into say it is a square. After that, plus b square into say 1 square. After that, this we need to write it within the language of this one and confirm it whether it is minus 2x or not. We need to write it minus 2a and b. What is the value of a? Beneath this square, it is a. What is the value of b? Beneath this square, this is b. So confirm it, minus 2x multiplied by 1, it means it is minus 2x. So this is basically a square plus b square minus 2ab that formula. That is quite equal to a minus b whole square. So you need to write x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So we are going to write instead of this x minus 1 whole square. Now you can solve this. This x plus 2 will cancel this x plus 2. This x minus 2 will cancel this x minus 2. And the rest will be your answer, that is x plus 4 and x square plus 2x plus 4. And in denominator you have x minus 1 whole square. So that's it. This was your question number 10. Now for question number 11. Question number 11 is x raised power 4 minus 8x, and in denominator 2x square plus 5x and then minus. Then multiply 10 to x minus 1 and then x square plus 2x plus 4 and then again multiply then x plus 3 and x square minus 2x. Now there are three fractions present in it, and between them there are multiple signs here and here. So first is x raised power 4 minus 8x. What you need to do is, what is common here? You can see that what is common? X is common. So for variable common, you need to make the common very lowest with very lowest power, that is x raised power 1. So after taking x common, that is 1x is outside, so x cube minus. I think you are familiar with the x cube minus 8. X cube minus 8, we have already done its factorization in our previous question. What we can write instead of x cube minus 8, its factorization, that is formula x into x minus 2, you have already done in previous question, x minus 2 and then x square plus 2x plus 4. How this thing appears, we have already done. So instead of writing this x raised power 4 minus 8x, we are going to write this here. X into x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4. And in denominator, another factor, another expression, you need to make its factorization. That is 2x square plus 5x minus 3. 2 multiplied by minus 3, answer is minus 6. Now recall within your mind, you need a pair of numbers whose multiplication answer is minus 6 and whose operative answer is plus 5. So 6 and minus 1. These are the numbers whose operative answer is plus, 6 minus 1 answer is plus 5, and 6 multiplied by minus 1 answer is minus 6. So you can write it as 2x square plus 6x minus 1x and then minus 3. What is common here? One number 2 is common and then x is also common. So 2x is common and then 1x is here plus 2 3s are 6. What is common here? Only minus 1 is common. So all the sign must be changed just because of taking this negative sign common. X plus 3, we need to write it once and then 2x minus 3. So right here x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Now for this fraction, you can see that it is also factor 2x minus 1 and in denominator x square plus 2x plus 4. Frankly speaking, you can't make any factorization of it. You can't make any midterm breaking of it. So you need to write it as it is. X square plus 2x plus 4. Now for this one, multiply x plus 3. It is already the linear factor. You need to write it x plus 3 as it is. Now for this factor, x square minus 2x. What is common here? You can see that only x to the power 1 is common. X is common here. So after taking x common, 1x is outside here and 1x will be inside. After that, negative sign and 1x is outside here and 2 will be. Now we need to do what that is cancellation. You can see that this x can cancel this x. This x minus 2 will cancel this x minus 2. This x square plus 2x plus 4 can completely cancel this x square plus 4x plus 4. This x plus 3 can cancel this x plus 3. This 2x minus 1 will cancel this 2x minus. All the things are cancelled, but within numerator and denominator. Divide form. So all the things are cancelled. So what will be the answer? 90% of the students will say that this answer is 0. This is not true. 0 will only appear if cancellation is going to be done within positive and negative cancellation. But for multiply and divide cancellation, all the things that are cancelled, then you are left with only answer 1. Because 2 divided by 2, if both are cancelled, 2 1s are 2. You are not going to answer that is both are cancelled in 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, not 2. But if 2 minus 2 cancellation, then you are left with 0. So this is the most important thing. You need to be very careful about it. Now, for question number 11, 12. Y square plus 7y minus 4 into denominator that is 3y square minus 13y plus 4 divide sign 4y square minus 1 and then 6y square plus y minus 1. Now again we need to do factorization of 4 of these expressions. First of all, we have 2y square plus 7y minus 4. The difference is only we are going to use the variable y instead of using x. So 2 multiplied by minus 4 answer is minus 8. We need a pair whose multiplication answer is minus 8 and whose operative answer is plus 7. So that pair is only 8 and minus 1 plus 8y and then minus 1y, then minus 8. This is all the thing. What is common here? 2 is common and y is common. After that, 1y is outside here, 1y will be inside y. 4 is 8 plus 1. After that, what is common here? Minus 1 is common in the y plus 4. Both are same. Y plus 4 and y minus 4. So instead of writing this, we need to write it. Let's write the form that is y plus 4 into 2y minus 4. Now for this term, that is 3y square minus 13y plus 4. 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. You need to find the pair of number whose multiplication answer is positive 12 and whose operative answer is minus 13. Both numbers are minus 12 and minus 1. Minus 12 multiplied by minus 1 answer is positive 12 and minus 12 and minus 1 operative answer is minus 13. So you need to make midterm bracket 3y square minus 12y then minus 1y plus 4. What is common here? That is 3y common. Then y minus 3 4 by 12. After that, minus 1 is common. If you are going to take minus sign is common, then all the signs inside will be changed. This sign is positive and this sign is negative. So y minus 4 and 3y minus 4. Y minus 4 and then 3y minus 1. After that, divide sign, apply divide sign here. And this is 4y square minus 1. Now its factorization. You can see that between two squares there is a negative sign. So between two squares, if there is a negative sign, then it must be of the form of a square minus b square. So we can write this as 2y whole square. This is called a square and minus 1 is 1 square called b square. So this is 2y plus 1 and 2y minus 1. A plus b into a minus 1. So instead of writing this, we need to write it as 2y plus 1 and 2y minus 1. Now for 6y square plus y minus 1. Six will going to multiply to this minus 1. Answer will be minus 6. Now find a pair of numbers whose multiplication answer is minus 6 and whose operative answer is plus 1. That is 3 and minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 2 answer is minus 6 and 3 minus 2 answer is plus 1. So you can write it as 6y square plus 3y and minus 2y to the minus. What will be this answer? This answer is what we need to take common, that is 3y. 1y is outside here and 3 2 is 6. 2y plus 3y is outside here, so 1 will be left. After that, minus sign is common here, minus 1. Then all the signs are changed. Now you can see that within brackets all the things are same. So 2y plus 1 and 3y minus 1. So you can write it as, instead of this, 2y plus 1 and 3y minus 1. First of all, you can see that 2y plus 1 and this 2y plus 1 can be cancelled. After that, you need to write 1 plus 4 and this is 2y minus 1 and for denominator y minus 4 and 3y minus 1. But after this fraction, you can see that this is divide side. We have already done these type of questions in class 8. if this sign, divide sign is going to be changed to the multiply sign, then after this divide sign, need to be made the fraction reciprocal. So this 3y minus 1 will appear on numerator and this 2y minus 1 will appear on denominator. Now you can make the cancellation 2y minus 1 with this 2y minus 1 and this 3y minus 1 with 3y minus 1. So this will be your answer y plus 4 over y minus 4. And that's it. In the next lecture, we will complete this exercise 6.2. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture, you can ask it now.